Bangladesh, a land of fascinating beauty, stitched with enormous potentiality, huge natural resources and an enriched heritage. Located in a geopolitically important part of Southeast Asia, the Sundarbans, the largest exclusive mangrove forest, and Cox's Bazar, the longest ceaseless sandy sea beach in the world, are the two instances of the stunning beauty of nature. Natural disasters are almost regular in the coastal areas of this country. Since Bangladesh is a disaster-prone land, her people have to face several experiences regarding floods and cyclones. People of Bangladesh have learned their own ways of adapting to these situations through dedication, hard work, and innovation. The Bengalis have a long history of mechanized tailoring, along with several thousand years of experience in hand stitching. Today, the ready-made garments industry is set afirm on a solid base of skilled manpower and is getting Bangladesh billions of dollars annually. This new industry took its first step in Bangladesh in 1979. Since establishment, constant strives towards efficiency, commitment towards highest level of quality have made Babylon one of the iconic ready-made garments and knit manufacturing industries in Bangladesh. Babylon supplies many different buyers and suppliers across the world, including the topology of a knit fabric is relatively complex. Compared to the other two classes, knit fabrics are much more elastic, which accounts for their historical use in stockings and other clothing that require changes in shape. Hence, our dresses made from the best knit fabrics are more form-fitting than you have ever imagined. The woven sector, designed with the most updated equipment, delivers world-standard woven clothes. 'Cause we know today's steps illustrate the secured path of a better tomorrow. Juniper Embroideries Limited has sets of computerized embroidery machines mainly of Japan origin. The group has its own embroidery and printing facilities. Babylon Printers is a large printing facility to print on cut panels, and it smooths up the dresses. Babylon Washing Unit has all sorts of prime washing facilities, including garment dyeing, deep dyeing, tie dyeing and spraying. Babylon Trims is a 90,000 square feet factory to manufacture a range of garments accessories including carton boxes, cardboard, backboard, polypack, plastic hanger, printing label, collar insert, butterfly, M-clip and many more. Babylon Logistics is the dedicated transportation wing of the group to ensure speedy movement of raw materials and finished goods. Babylon Buying Services, a one-stop solution for apparel needs, an experienced trading house, deals in wide varieties of products around the globe. Trends, a fashion house of Babylon, is a popular retail brand for showcasing Western Oriental fusion outfit for the domestic market. Babylon is committed towards people and environment. Our people are enriched with skilled and trained staff. Babylon Group is one of the pioneers in running in-house training centers in each of its major manufacturing units. We provide education to our workers, where our trainers teach them basic literacy and knowledge to ensure and protect their rights. Besides developing their technical skills, required measures are taken to increase the health consciousness. Babylon Medical Services provides necessary healthcare to the people of the community and its workers. The self-sufficient medical center is adequately harnessed with different necessary diagnostic equipment and machines. The center is run and managed by experienced and dedicated full-time doctors and staff. Regular medical services are available in every working unit of the group. A sanitary napkin christened as Softy was launched in the year 2011 to sell at a very affordable price to the female workers and staff of the group. Babylon Group encourages recruiting physically impaired candidates. Equal opportunity is ensured in employment and no discrimination is made with regard to religion, race and sex. Babylon arranges annual picnics for all her members. They all look forward to the event and attend the occasion in colorful attires with their spouses and kids. Effluent is the final discharge to nature from mills or factories where toxic chemicals are used. ETP is a complex and expensive process by which this discharge is treated before it flows into the environment. A very modern and efficient ETP treats the toxic waste from Babylon's textile and washing units. In-house laboratory tests are performed regularly on the samples of treated water for verification whether the ETP is working properly and the water is released to the nature. Polythene is one of the most dangerous elements for the environment. To help the environment a little, we recycle the plastic waste in our trims manufacturing unit, Babylon Trims Limited. We can hear what nature tells us. Also, we believe in saving power for the sake of our next generation. We celebrated our 25th anniversary on 10th of June 2011 at Bangabandhu International Conference Center, Dhaka. The get-together became a festival of ecstasy and satisfaction. The directors of the group inaugurated the function, accompanied by a host of distinguished guests. Babylon directors made the opening and closing speeches in the function, where many more buyers and bankers also spoke. Suppliers and well-wishers from home and abroad, bankers and representatives of associated business organizations, and numerous former and present employees attended the occasion to make the celebration a big success. Later, the crowd experienced a gorgeous fashion show, and a cultural program was also arranged by the participation of Babylon workers and employees to enchant and surprise the audience. To facilitate education for the deprived students, Babylon launched a scholarship project in 2008. Under this project, each year, Babylon offers scholarship amongst talented poor students of the country. Since 2006, each year, Babylon Group publishes a magazine named Babylon Kotha Kotha, from editor to writers, and even the designer of this magazine are the members of Babylon family. Babylon director Mr. Imdadul Islam is the editor of this magazine. Babylon always tries to stand by the people in need. The distribution of warm clothes to the people of North Bengal reflects this attitude of the company. Besides the scholarship project, recently Babylon Group has established a library for the students of Tetulzhara High School at Savar. Now, students of that school are getting the opportunity of learning about science, literature, technology, etc. In today's race for money, most of the traditional businesses target profit-making in their ventures, while we engage ourselves to earn full satisfaction of our customers. Yes, we focus on the people. To us, business is how we define it, placing you at the core of our spirit. That's how we have been meeting the newer and even changing needs of our buyers and customers. Our dialogue keeps moving with life. Our way finds its ways to new challenges, new people, and new dimensions. Babylon Group, spirit of ethical business.